think that everybody is looking for an easy way to be successful in crypto. And that's what this video is going to cover. All right. So thank you for your time. Truly, I hope this video is you get value out of it. That's my objective. I'm going to give you a very, very simple way to be successful buying and selling crypto. And so this video is for entertainment purpose only. Of course, this is not financial advice. My name is Austin. I'm here for the Clear Cryptos channel. I also have my own channel under my name, Austin Hilton. If you want to go check out my channel here on YouTube as well, I make crypto content every single day, but I also support the Clear channel. Okay. So here's the thing. How to be successful in crypto. I will tell you, it doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be hard. Okay. So either A, if you're just getting into crypto, or B, you're in crypto and you're looking for a very simple strategy. I'm about to give you one. And it is a very simple one. Okay. I have 30 plus years of stock investing experience. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I've just bought and sold stocks for 30 plus years. I've got gray hair. I'm 53 plus years old. 53 years old. It's not plus. Where'd you get the plus, Austin? Okay. And so I've been around the block a few times. So the thing about it is the easiest way to invest in crypto, the easiest way, and by the way, same thing with stocks. The easy way to invest in crypto is to have a very simple, diversified approach. And the diversification, that word is key. Diversified means that you spread your risk. It means you own more than one crypto. And more so, this diversification strategy, this strategy for crypto success is you diversify and you own the blue chips, what I call the blue chips, the big guys. Okay. And so here's how it looks, really simple. All right. You have a diversification strategy. And let's say you're going to put $10,000. $10,000 is what you have to invest. So in that $10,000, if you look at the top blue chips, they are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano. Dogecoin is a little, it's a meme coin. I wouldn't necessarily, again, I'm not faulting Dogecoin, but I'm talking about, projects like Cardano or Polygon, or Litecoin that are extremely utility based, ongoing businesses, companies, et cetera. Right. Okay. So the blue chips. Okay. And so maybe stay within the top 15 or 20 if you want to. It depends on how much diversification you want. Okay. So then inside of that, you say, okay, I have $10,000, right? Okay. So I have $10,000. So again, I'm going to stay within the blue chips. Let's say you stay within the top 20. All right. You go, all right, 40 to 50% of that. Again, this is my opinion. This is not investing advice. Okay. 40, 50% of that, you buy it and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the two big, blue chips. They're the biggest, and they control north of 60+% of the entire crypto market capitalization is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's say 50%. So you buy 50. So however you want to allocate that, 25% to Bitcoin, 25% to Ethereum, but that either way is fine. You buy 50%. Then you take the rest of the 50% and you just divvy it up among the other 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, however many other blue chips you want to buy in the top 20 on CoinMarketCap. It's as simple as that. And then here's the other thing. You have a plan. You say, okay, overall, if I'm investing $10,000 in this entire diversified strategy, that when I see that my portfolio has gone up, say 20 or 30%, I'm going to pull off a certain amount I'm going to sell a certain number of my assets that are in profit to achieve a 20 or 30% ROI, return on investment in say a quarter or 2 quarters or whatever it is. Just have a profit plan is all I'm simply saying, where your portfolio of your blue chips that you own is spinning off profits and you're taking those profits. Okay. That's it. And then just either A, reinvest your stocks, or B, pay yourself some out of that profit that's spun out, whenever you're reaching some of those profit ROI milestones. That's it. That's all you got to do. That's a long-term, very simple, easy success plan to be successful in crypto. Thanks for your time. If you want to learn more about Clear Cryptos, links in the description below. Check them out. See ya. Bye.